Hey guys, oh my god, I've been wanting to do this forever. It's retarded boys versus dogs, another episode. Yes, I've been wanting to do this since I was born. Or since the last video since I did it. But yeah, let's see what the dogs are gonna do since last time I, bugged them. Okay, first we have to turn that off. Okay, good. I wonder where they are. They're probably there. Oh no, that's just a cat, and that look creepy. I don't see the dogs anywhere. I should probably turn on the light. Oh, that's a little bit better. Just help anyway. God, that looks so creepy. The rake confirmed. Just kidding. Okay. I think the dogs are in the room. I must call them. I'm gonna pause. Oh, I just called them. Let's turn. Bam bam! Restart. I'm gonna die. Stay away from me, you demon. Demon. This is my only way. Must out here. I feel safe. Not really. It's cold. Yeah, I don't want to be out here. It's too cold. I thought that would be my area to hide, but no. Oh, on there. Of course. I'm so smart. Cats don't count. Cats are good. Good cat. Hi. Good kitty. So are you. You're a good cat.